Oh, well, that didn't work. Alright, so this is a room on the 3rd floor of the Packard plant. I didn't come to the 3rd floor last time. Oh, it must be a toilet. Daylight coming in from a hole in the ceiling up there. This is only one side of the Packard plant. Look at this floor up here. This is Bonnie's first time coming to the Packard plant. Up and down. I do not like heights, I'm just saying. Yeah, we're on the 3rd floor, some sketchy floors, and we're moseying around. Plants growing up through the floor. Where are you going, crazy? Oh, do you see that hole in the floor? That must have been like a pipe or something, that's all. Who's out in the middle of the broken glass, more plants growing up. This does not feel too safe right there. We're ducking because we can be seen. Whoa, it goes on forever, don't it? Look at that.
Over there's another building.
That's the other part of the Packard plant. There used to be a walkway across.
Yeah, but I don't know quite where.
I don't know where exactly either the walkway was. It's obviously not there now.
I don't feel like we could be seen at this spot. That way, maybe.
It's not much left. Look at those windows over there. Like the one dangling from the... I don't know how good you can see it on the camera. Let's see if I can... There's people down there. Well, that section of the floor don't look good right there. In the center. That looks really bad.
Huh?
That section right there in the center.
In the center? Yeah, I know.
Looks really bad. Wow.
Yeah.
Glass breaking.